Okay, so I pre-opened this because this was going to be a pain in the butt. Anyway, the sheath is standard with Ozark trail and whatever. This thing is heavy, boy. Holy crap! And yes, there is a thing on the axe. Thank God. I'm gonna try out the first thing I'm gonna try out. Be a little bit later. There's an important tool. Focus. The bottle opener. Yes. It is one of these. Which think of that. I know the hammer goes. I think the hammer goes. I think. Let me see. Let's see. But yeah, this is heavy. But these are failure point, and so are these. The things. You can hammer an axe with it. I only want it for like the bottom tools, pretty much. So, yeah. Let me see if I can put this in here. I believe this is how you put it in here. Yep. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes. Yep. As I said. Okay, so yeah. That's how you put it in. Of course, yeah. I wanted it because I got another one because I wanted to test it out. Yeah. Supposedly the failure points are the limits. So yeah. Anyway, got that open, put it into the sheath. And I have a tool to use for camping. It's pretty much it. Honestly, on Walmart's website, this is not called a multi-tool. It's called a camping survival multifunctional tool. But yeah, anyway, test will begin whenever I get a chance. But they will be done. This is actually heavy, boy. It's a standard sheath, but yeah. Of course, you gotta have the hatchet thing. I'm gonna have the thing on it, so probably has a crap ton of oil on it. But yes. Anyway, this has been Post-Apoc OP, and this looks post-apocalypse to me. And yeah, is that literally gonna be just standing the heck out? That's stupid. Wow, that just stands out. By the way. Yeah, this is meant to be like, what? No. Wow. How are you not going to hit yourself with this? Anyway, peace.